welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have great news. Spice, she posted on her Instagram, she's saying that she is in a better space today, and she's here to properly update us of her current health situation. She's saying that she suffered from a damaged hernia a few days ago that sent her body into sepsis, and as a result, she was rushed to the hospital for immediate surgery. She said that, as you know, she's been off social media for a while to rest mentally. So little did she know that during her medical scare, it was already been said that she had a heart attack and that she was in a coma and also died. But no, that is not true. However, she said, I'm still recovering from what really happened. So thanks so much for all the prayers and concerns. She said, please take good care of yourselves. Eat, live, love, laugh like it's your last day. She said, I love you all so much, and you don't know, Gracie, always aga be yourself. So I guess this is no more jumping off a speaker boxes for me. And to all the promoters that has a confirmed booking, she said, please accept my humble apologies. Said, Cayman, I know you was up next for the 25th of this month. However, I'll see you at a later date. Any further information needed, there's always a contact in my bio. The Queen loves you all. And that's so wonderful that she came out to let us know that she is okay. And I'm so happy that she's fine. Now, still continue to pray for her as she pulled through her recovery stage. Wonderful that you're out, Spice. Wonderful.